Your Honor.
Are we on?
We should be, Your Honor.
Yep, live. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bexar County Court at Law number 6 in the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court Arraignment Docket for today, which happens to be Tuesday, the 4th of May, 2021. In the future, if you do not want to participate in our arraignment dockets, it's very simple to get out of these. Number one, you got to be in contact with your client, or if you're not, just let Pat know. Number two, if you haven't received an offer from the DA, call them, one of them up, Alexis or Nick, and they'll send you an offer. And number three, once you get your offer and determine what you want to do, let Pat know. That's what we're looking at to get from you today. If you don't have answers to all three of those questions today, we just reset you for a week at a time until you get your answers. So that's kind of what we're up to. But if you want to avoid hanging out with us, I know everybody loves to be here, but if you, some future point, don't, that's how to get out of it. So first person I have on my hit list, Noah Johnston with Ray Martinez. Is Ray with us today?
I'm here, Judge.
Okay. Are you in contact with Mr. Johnston?
I am, Judge, and we do have an offer.
All right. Do you know what you want to do yet?
We do not.
All right. Can you figure it out in another week or so?
Yes, because I've got to call into my client.
All right. Let's reset for next Tuesday at 2. And do you have any other cases with us today?
That's it, Judge.
All right. Thanks, Ray.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Ivan Barrera, are you with us on Courtney Moore?
I'm present, Your Honor.
And are you in touch with Ms. Moore?
I am, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer from the state?
No offer yet, Judge.
State, can you email Mr. Barrera an offer on Ms. Moore?
Yes, Judge.
And reset a week to get you time to get that and figure out what you want to do. Would that be okay, Ivan?
That'll be fine, Judge.
All right. You got any more
Thank
cases
you.
today, or is that it?
That's it for me, Judge.
All right. Thanks. You're out of here.
Thank you.
Judge Joanne, are you with us today?
Your Honor, Joseph Stason is supposed to be handling that. He is on a, I believe, like a CPS for Monica Guerrero, so he'll be coming in and out.
Okay. Paul Goki, are you with us today?
He is not checked in.
Brian O'Donnell, are you with us today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Brian, I got you down for a Joe Diaz.
I am in contact with them, Your Honor. We do not have an offer. There are two cases, and one is a drug case. I don't know if the state's ready to make an offer just on the one case. I'm sorry, I didn't hear that, Judge.
Sure. State. Guys, please turn your microphones off. We're getting a lot of background. Thanks. All right, Brian, you copy?
I did not hear that at all, Judge.
All right, Alexis, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge.
What's the status of Mr. Diaz cases?
I think I have an offer written down, Judge. I just need to email it.
All right. How about we email you offers on those this week, Brian, and reset for next Tuesday at 2. And if you need more time, just get up with Pat.
Very well, thank you, Judge.
Got anybody
He
else?
has one more. He has one more, Your Honor.
All right, let me find it.
So McLeod guy, that's a case we're waiting for the second case to populate. It's a misdemeanor evading. As of this morning, it was not in CGS.
Hey, McLeod Gervais Gley, Gleye, is that it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you in contact with Mr. Gley?
Yes, Your Honor. We're waiting for the other case.
Okay, the other case is not on my radar yet. State, is there a second case pending on Mr. Gley?
Yes, Judge. I filed the information, but it looks like I need to file a summons as well, so I'm going to be putting that together. Brian, I'm going to do a PC affidavit, so I don't want to get arrested again on it. So I'm just going to file it as a summons. If that's all right with you.
That'd be great. Thank you very much.
Can you get all that done in a week?
Hey, I can get it done, Judge.
All right, let's reset for next Tuesday at 2. And if you need more time, Brian, let Pat know.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You bet. Okay. Zoe Russell texted me, and she's not able to make it today. And I didn't read what her answer was. But State, if you haven't sent an offer on Jonathan Beasley to Miss Russell, do so this week. We're going to reset for next Tuesday at 2.
An
And
email.
Your Honor, I'm on here. They have sent
Yeah.
me, Zoe, they have sent me an offer. And we just need a reset for me to keep trying to work things out with Nick.
Let's go for next Tuesday at 2. Will that work?
Yes.
All right. Thanks. You're out of here.
Thank you.
Luis Martinez, are you with us today?
Your Honor, he has not checked in, and this is the individual that he had that motion for dismissal for lack of speedy trial. And supposedly he told you that we were that he was going to call me about setting it up, but I have not heard anything from Mr. Martinez on it.
State, have you sent an offer to Mr. Martinez on Mr. Marquardt?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Just reset for next Tuesday at 2, Pat, and in the interim, I'll
Okay.
contact him to find out what he wants to do.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Next one I got Andrew Priest. Are you with us today?
Yes,
I'm
Your
here,
Honor.
Judge.
Okay. Are you in contact with Christian Cancel?
I am, Judge.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
I've received an offer, but I have been conferring with Nicholas by email, and I believe he was going to review the case to see if it was something they were going to proceed on or not.
And Nick, can we give you all another week? Will that give you enough time to make a determination and get back with Andrew?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's reset for next Tuesday at 2 with the understanding if something changes, either side let Pat know what we're doing.
Great. Thank you, Judge.
All right, you got anybody else today, Andrew, or is that it?
I
That's
believe
it.
that's it.
All right, thanks. James Rickerson, are you with us today?
Thank you, Judge.
No, James?
Yes,
No,
Your Honor.
actually-
Yes, Your Honor. I am here today.
Are you in contact with Mr. Hogan?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
Not yet.
And apparently there are what, 3 cases?
I believe so. Yes.
Okay, state, are you gonna have offers available for Mr. Rickerson, reference Mr. Hogan in the near future?
Yes, Judge. I'll email it.
Let's reset for a week, James, and they'll get you your offers. You can show
Okay. Same time.
same time, 2 o'clock next Tuesday.
Thank-
I guess it's gonna be the 11th. Do you have any other cases with us today, James?
None, Your
That's it.
Honor.
Long
That's it.
time no see you. Good to see you. I like the beer.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Brian De La Rosa, are you with us today?
Yes, Your Honor.
I am, Judge. Good morning, or good afternoon.
Are you in contact with Mr. White?
I'm not, Your Honor, and I haven't been since I was appointed on this case. I don't expect to be anytime soon, unfortunately.
We're gonna have to issue an FTA warrant for him in the nicest possible way. And if we find him first, we'll let you know. And once y'all have contact, we'll pull the warrant back and then y'all can do your magic. Do you have any other case?
Sounds good. I don't believe so, Your Honor.
All right, you're out of here. Thanks.
Thank you.
Oscar Hernandez, are you with us today? I see your face. All right. Are you in contact with Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, sir.
And have you received an offer from the state?
Have not.
State, can you email an offer to Mr. Hernandez for Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, Judge.
And let's hook up for next Tuesday at 2 again. If y'all get something else figured out, just let Pat know in the interim.
Absolutely. Thank you, Judge.
Anybody else set today, Oscar?
No, sir.
That's it.
Have a great one.
Mark Darlin, are you with us today?
I have not heard him check in yet. His client has, but
Okay. Michael Goins, are you with us today?
Here, Your Honor.
You're the man. Are you in touch with Miss Mata?
I am, Your Honor. Alexis and I have been in email discussion about her. If you could give us till the 18th, I'd appreciate it.
Okay. What day is the 18th? Tuesday the
2
18th.
weeks, Your Honor.
Can
2
do.
weeks.
You got any other cases with us today, Mike?
That's it.
Sir, I have a Mr. Murmia on the docket, but he's been rescheduled for Thursday for a plea.
Okay.
Yes.
You're on that. Then I guess we're good. Thank you. You're out of here. Ruperto Garcia, are you with us today?
He's here, Your Honor.
Ruperto, can you hear me?
Sorry about that, Your Honor. I was muted out. Yes, Your Honor, we're here. We have an offer from the state. I got to run over a couple of things with my guy, but it looks very good, Your Honor.
Are you in contact with Mr. Richardson? I assume you are.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
Right, we have.
So you need another week to get it figured out?
If we can set it for next Tuesday, we should have an answer by then, but it looks very good, Your Honor.
All good. If you figure it out before next Tuesday, just email Pat and we'll reset for whatever you're doing.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
Got anybody else today or is that it?
Thanks, Alexis.
All right, thanks. Suzanne Kramer, I see you out there. Are you in touch with Mr. Brooks?
I am, Judge.
And have you received an offer from the state?
I have, but I would like to talk to Nick or Alexis because I was looking at them. I thought I emailed them, but I can't find the email. That there's a little hitch in the discovery that I wouldn't mind talking to them about. I thought I might have had done it the last court.
Let's do this. Let's reset for next Tuesday at 2 to give you time to coordinate with the state and get what you need. Or if you don't get it, let us know and we'll do what we need to do.
Okay, I'll email Nick.
You have anybody else set today?
I do not think so.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Off to Paisano, shoo. All right, Thomas Hilly, are you with us today?
I don't have him checked in, Your Honor.
Hey, Kyle Simpson, are you with us today? Your microphone's off, Kyle.
He's muted.
Sorry about that. I'm here, Judge. How are you doing?
Are you in touch with Ms. Ruiz?
I am in touch with Ms. Ruiz.
Have you received an offer from the state?
I don't believe so. May I confer?
We don't have time to confer today. We'll just reset you for next Tuesday at 2 to give you time to do that. And in the interim, the state will email you an offer. Is that okay, state?
Yes, Judge.
Is it okay, Kyle?
Excellent, Your Honor. Thank you.
And you got any other cases set today?
I do not.
All right, you're out of here. James
Thank you.
Higgins.
Your Honor, I do not have Mr. Higgins checked in.
Judge Tony Jimenez.
No. And Mr. Dittman isn't, the client is on.
Ms. Purcell, Judge Jimenez is not. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. Ms. Purcell, you're welcome to hang around. I don't know if you've had a chat with Judge Jimenez on what he wants you to do today. You're welcome to stay, but you're also welcome to go. You're not required to be here by me. If you're that's something else.
They just called and talked to me and told me that I had to be here. So I was assuming that something was going to get done. I have no idea.
It's your choice. You want to hang around for a while and see if he shows up. All these attorneys are pretty busy, so it's hard to pin them down at any given point in time. So whatever you like to do, you want to go or anytime you want to do it. Okay.
Okay, so I'm okay if I go. I'm free to go. I'm not going to get in trouble, right?
No, you're good. We've got you marked down. Worst case scenario, we're going to reset for next Tuesday at 2. But once again, I'm not requiring you to be here next Tuesday at 2. If your lawyer wants you here for some reason, that's between you and him. Okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're the best lawyer in town, so you're doing good. That's why he's busy. Okay?
Thanks. Bye.
Okay. Robert Dittman, Lieutenant Commander, are you out there?
Your Honor, they both represent Ms. Purcell. One is hired and one is appointed.
Okay. Well, that's all good.
Are we holding off on that one or are we resetting?
We're waiting on those to see if any of the attorneys show up, which probably they will.
Okay, Your Honor.
Gary Churak, are you out there? I see you out there. Are you in touch with Mr. Newman?
I am, but I have an offer yet. But here's the deal with him, Judge. He also has 2 more cases out of County Court 7. So it would be more judicially economical to move them all to 7. And
can we do that on a driving?
We cannot unless, because they are not arising out of the same incident, we cannot unless County Court 7 asks for them.
Are they out of the same incident? Because women can drive you to do reckless.
No, they weren't out of the same incident.
All right.
No, sir.
So at this point in time, if you get the judge's permission to transfer, we can.
Yes.
Well, let me, do you want me to do that or?
Yeah, it's up to you to do that, not me.
All right. I got it. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you.
We're going to reset the next Tuesday, and state, go ahead and send email and order an offer to Mr. Churak, if you would, on that one. But he's going to want to get the big deal of the day, if I were guessing. Is that not more or less accurate, Gary, on all 3?
Yeah, that's correct.
All right. All good. Otherwise, we'll reset next Tuesday at 2. And if something changes or we get them transferred, just let Pat know.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Matthew Finch, I see you out there. Are you in touch with Mr. Denton?
I've not been recently, but I did get an offer from Alexis, and I forwarded it via email to my client. I should follow up with him after court today.
Okay. You want to just reset for a week and give you a chance to get with everybody and see if you can work it out or not?
That'd be great, Judge. I appreciate it.
Got any other cases with us today?
I do not, Judge.
You're out of here.
Thank you. Y'all be safe.
Thank you. Let me back up and get Lewis. Let me find you. Okay, Lewis, on Gregory Marquardt. I know we got a pending motion to dismiss for lack of speedy trial, right?
Yes, and Judge, I've got some additional evidence I just emailed over to Alexis and to Nick for their review. So if they want to take a look at that too.
On the motion to dismiss or on something else?
On the case itself. So
So you
additional photo evidence.
want to reset for a week until y'all get it figured out and you can confer with them?
Yes, Judge, that'd be great.
And do you still want to proceed with the motion dismissed for lack of speedy trial hearing at some point?
I do, Judge. Would you be able to do like the 12th, 13th, or 14th of next week?
13th, 14th, he is in a judicial conference.
The 12th at 2 o'clock, probably. How does that work?
I mean, that's perfect. I'm wide open.
Pat, let's set it. And if it's okay with the state, is that okay with you?
Yes, Judge.
And if y'all work something out otherwise, just let Pat know. But let's, you're set on our plea docket, but you may have to hang around a little while until we knock out our pleas, and then we're going to do your motion to dismiss.
Exactly.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks, Lewis.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Melanie Lira, are you with us today?
I am, Judge. Good afternoon.
Howdy. Are you in contact with Mr. Ripito?
I am.
And have you received an offer from the state?
No, I sent an email yesterday, but haven't heard back.
Let's reset for a week to give them a chance to get you an offer, and then y'all can confer, and then you can let us know what you want to do.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You got any other cases with us today? Or is that it?
That's it.
All right. You're done. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
And Richard Saldivar, are you with us today?
Yes, Judge. I'm here. I've had no contact with my client, and I don't anticipate to have any. I haven't had any contact since I've been appointed.
Okay. We're going to have to issue a FTA warrant on him, and if as and when we find him, we'll let you know immediately. And if y'all get in contact, we'll pull the warrant, and then we'll start over.
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
Got anybody else with us today?
That's it, Judge.
Thanks very much. You're out of here. George Sherman, are you with us today?
Present with counsel. I received an offer today, and we need discovery. Going to take about 60 days.
What discovery are we looking for? Blood breath?
Yes, sir. Blood.
State where we? Oh, blood. State. How long is it taking you guys to come up with blood these days?
60 days, Judge.
60 days?
Yeah, after he files the motion, Judge.
Okay. File motion. Go ahead and set Mr. Sherman for a jury trial, a position that he's well acquainted with, and that'll set it off several months. And then during that time frame, y'all get your discovery and figure out what you want to do. And if you get it resolved before a jury trial comes around, which is likely, just let Pat know. Will that work?
Sounds fine.
Anybody else with us today?
No, sir. That's it.
No, that's it.
What do you hear from the law student? Isn't it about time for finals?
He'll be here.
All right. Tell him I said hi.
All right. And Mr. Hernandez, you're excused.
He absolutely is. And for all defense counsel, no defendants are ever required to be here on these arraignment dockets. If you want to bring them, that's up to you, and they want to be here, that's fine, but they don't have to be here.
Understand, Judge. Thank you.
You bet. Hiku Lee, are you with us today?
She is not signed in, Your Honor.
Mary Petrozek, I see you out there. Are you up with Aubrey Evans?
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
I don't believe I have. Maybe I have.
State, can you email an offer to Mary for Mr. Evans' case this week?
Yes, Judge.
And then just reset for next Tuesday, Mary. I'll get something figured out before then. Just let Pat know.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. You got any other cases with us today?
Yes, Judge, I have June De Leon.
All right, let me find you.
She's on fourth from the end on my printout.
It's at 2:30.
Okay, I got
Oh,
you.
no, this one's at 3.
There you go.
June Lynn De Leon. And are you in contact with your client?
Yes, Judge.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
Yes, Judge, I received one today.
And do you know what you want to do yet?
No, not yet, Judge.
Let's reset a week on that one and let y'all confer some more. Will that work?
That sounds great, Judge.
All right. Is that the last one you got today?
That's all I got.
You're good to go. Thanks for your help.
Thank you, Judge.
And David Volk, are you with us today?
I don't have him signed in, Your Honor.
Jason Joyner, are you with us today?
I don't have him signed in either.
Oh, I dismissed this case, Pat and Judge. Sorry.
Oh, you dismissed Joyner?
I mean, Nick dismissed this case today.
Oh, okay, because I don't have that.
Way to go, Mr. Macias. And Robert Maurer, are you with us today?
Yeah, that's the license.
I don't have it.
Ronald Zimmerman, are you with us today?
don't have them either.
Robert Valdez, are you with us today?
I don't have him either.
And Joseph Stason is still not here yet, right? Joseph Stason not with us?
No, Your Honor, remember, he was coming in and out, unfortunately.
Reef Gazawi, are you with us today?
I don't have him checked in yet.
Voigt, are you with us today?
Nope.
And these are all 230 cases, and it's barely 230, so that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, Mr. Darling is here. He was on earlier.
Hi, Judge.
Howdy. Stand by, let me find you.
It's Richard Moreno.
Hey, I'm Richard Moreno. Are you in touch with your client?
Yes, Your Honor. I actually had him log on in error, I guess, but the state has made an offer that he wants to accept.
Okay, so you want to set it for a plea?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, just send me the email and I will give you the date.
Okay, good. I'll email you with his the terms of the deal, his info and stuff.
His email address as well. It should be the 13th of May.
Okay, thank you very much.
You got anybody else with us today, Mark?
No, sir. Judge, it's nice to see you. Thank you.
Okay, and more people are coming in, Your Honor. Sharif.
Moreno.
Judge Jimenez, I see you out there. Nikki Purcell was just here a minute ago. I told her she could stay or she could go. I don't know if she's still with us or not.
Okay, Judge, can I go to a breakout room with Nicholas?
You can't because we're in the middle of all this 100-person arraignment stuff, but I can reset you for a week to give you time to do that. Will that work?
Okay, it's perfect.
Let's reset for next Tuesday at 2. Do you have any other cases with us today besides Ms. Purcell?
Nothing, Judge.
All right. Next Tuesday at 2 then. And I told Ms. Purcell she's never needed to be here on arraignment stuff by my request, but if you want to hear, that's up to you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You bet. Thanks, Judge.
Take
Bye-bye.
care. Bye-bye.
And let's see who else is here.
Ephraim Torres is here.
Correct, Judge.
Timothy Roundtree is here, Your Honor. Sharif Garanbi.
Yes, Melanie Lira, did we talk to you about Austin Ripperton? We do, did we not, Ripperton?
Yeah, we did, Judge. However, Attorney Stephen Gilmore is asking me to come in for him. He's unavailable for, I believe, Michael.
Yeah.
Say that all again, please. I missed that.
So Stephen Gilmore, attorney, is asking me to come in for him today. He's, I guess, in another hearing for defendant Michael Perez, and he's asking for a jury trial date.
Okay.
Okay. So you're here appearing for Susan, is that correct?
Stephen Gilmore.
Stephen Gilmore, Your Honor.
Okay. So Pat, you know which one we're talking about, and you can reset.
Yes, yes, and I will send Mr. Gilmore the trial date first thing in the morning.
Perfect. I'll let him know. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Pat.
You're welcome. Bye. Okay, Mr. Ephraim Torres is here, Your Honor.
All right, I'm looking.
That's on 654-276, Judge Robert Ramirez.
I'm going down my list. Did Thomas Shelley ever show up?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Did James Dwiggins ever show up?
No, Your Honor.
David Volk ever show up?
No, Your Honor.
Robert Maurer ever show up?
No, Your Honor.
Ron Zimmerman ever show up?
Who?
Ron Zimmerman?
No, Your Honor.
Robert Valdez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Robert, let's talk about Jacqueline Ramos. I assume you're in contact.
Yes, I am in contact with her. She just hired us. She has 2 cases. I'd like to get the offers from the state so I can review.
Tell Robert offers on both those cases this week.
Yes, Judge.
And we'll reset for next Tuesday too. If y'all figure out something before then, just let Pat know.
I will, Your Honor.
You have anybody else with us today, Robert?
Yes, no, that's it. That's it.
That's it. All right, you're out of here. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sharif Ghazawi, show up.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Sharif, are you with us?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Let's talk about Jose Guevara. Are you in contact with him?
I'm in contact with him. We have received an offer. I was hoping to confer with the state.
About reset a week for you to do that. Will that work?
Yes.
Tuesday at 2. Do you have any other cases with us today?
No, sir.
All right, you're out of here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lisa Boyd, are you with us today?
She's not checked in.
Efren Torres, are you with us today?
Yes, Your Honor.
The man, talk to me about Robert Ramirez. Are y'all in contact?
Yes, we are in contact, and we are going to decline the offer, Judge.
All right, you want jury trial?
Yes.
Okay, we set Mr. Ramirez for jury trial, and that will be, sometime in our lifetime, and we'll worry about it then. Got anybody else we need to talk about?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
I'll send you the trial date tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Tim Round there. Timmy's here again. This is like 2 weeks in a row. I'm about to have a heart failure.
Well, Judge, don't do that.
Talk to me about Zavala.
Judge, on that one, I just sent an email to the state. We're missing some discovery on that. It's a BCSO DWI case, but there's no video on there.
Let's talk about state. What's going on with discovery? How long is it going to take y'all to get that to Tim?
What was it that you were needing again?
The in-car video or any video.
Oh, so the video, I would say at least 3 weeks, Judge.
Week? All right.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Let's reset for 30 days. How's that?
That's good.
And have you anybody else with us today?
I have 3 people, I believe.
Christopher Arntz, ARNTZ.
Judge, I have an offer. I'm in good contact with him. We'd like a jury trial setting.
All right. We set that one for JT. And you got one more down the road here somewhere?
Yes, Your Honor.
Look at it.
It's under the resets from the 27th.
Justin Reinhardt, is that correct?
Dustin Reinhardt. Judge, on that one, we'd also like a jury trial on that one.
Okay.
And do you have any more, or is that it?
I think that's it.
Yeah.
All right, you're out of here. Thanks.
Thanks.
We can have Tim Roundtree jury trial week or month or something.
Yes, we can, Your Honor. Bo Woods is here.
Okay, I'm trying to stick to my list for a minute. Robert Gaona with us.
I'm here, Judge.
Talk to me first about Julian Sendejas.
Judge, I got an offer on him just about by email just a little while ago. I'd like to take that to him and look over the evidence with him and see what he'll do.
Sure, I assume you are in contact with him, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, we set that one a week. Give you enough time to do that?
Yes, sir.
Next Tuesday at 2. And you also have Samuel Diego Torres.
I believe the state is tendering a dismissal on that one, Judge.
State, is that true?
I believe so, Judge. Yes, yes.
All right, we're good to go on that one.
Your Honor, you're missing before Mr. Gaona is Bertram Wood with Ashley Guerrero.
All right, stand by. You got anybody else with us today, Robert?
That's it, Judge.
All right, thanks. You're out of here. Bo.
Thank you, sir.
Ashley Guerrero.
Thank you, Pat.
You're welcome.
Judge, I'm needing an offer. Is all I need to get down with the DA and get an offer.
I'm sorry. Do you have an offer at this time or not?
No, I do not, Judge. I'm in contact with her. I spoke with her yesterday and wanted to just get an offer and we'll go from there. Right. The DWS, I don't know if there's a video or I don't know what else we might have.
Got discovery yet? I guess you're telling me you haven't.
I may have. I do not. I couldn't say yes or no. Right now,
so for a certified criminal specialist, I'm kind of surprised. Okay, let's reset for a week and then get all the cards on the table and let Pat know what you're going to do.
Yes, sir. Tuesday next week.
If you need more time for discovery, state, just let Pat know and we'll reset from there.
Thank you, sir.
Anybody else today, Bo, or is that it?
No, that was it. Thank you, sir.
All right, thanks. Okay, Jessica Gonzalez, I see you out there. Talk to me about Crystal Carrillo Alvera.
I'm confused.
You're in contact with her, correct?
I can't answer that because I've had this. I could have sworn, it's not against Pat, but I could have sworn I got an email from Pat that she had hired an attorney. So I removed all of her stuff from my calendar and didn't do anything. So I haven't been in contact with her, but it's not her fault or my fault. I didn't attempt any contacts, and I'm on hold with the bondsman right now.
And I'll double check because I don't remember that.
It's not in the system. I have no idea. I think I seriously dreamt it and then executed it when I got to the office. I have no idea.
Sad if you're dreaming me.
Even more confusing is I represented her in 2018, and in 2018 she did hire an attorney. So that's what I mean. I am beyond confused trying to figure this out. But no, Judge, I have not been in contact, but honestly, I haven't tried except for now. Like I'm literally on hold with a best bail bondsman right now.
Reset for a week. Next week, it's with the understanding Pat will track down who actually is attorney of record. And if it's you and you still want to be attorney of record, so let you know, and we'll kind of start over. Will that work?
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'm good for next Tuesday.
All right. Do you have anybody else with us today, Jess?
No, I had Ernest Vasquez on the docket, but I already emailed Pat and we're going to plea that on May 13th.
Yes.
Okay, all good. I guess you're just, unless you want to hang out with us.
No, I do not want to hang out. I want to be on hold. Bye, guys.
William Brooks, I see you out there. Talk to me about Miss Brotherton.
Hi, Judge. I have contact with Miss Brotherton, and I just need to get an offer, Your Honor.
All right. Alexis, can you email an offer to Mr. Brooks? We'll reset for a week. If y'all get it figured out before then, let Pat know.
Yes, Judge.
Will, do you have anybody else today with us?
No.
That should be it, Judge.
All right, you're out of here. Monica Guerrero, where's the judge?
Remember, Joseph is also taking care of her cases, and he's in and out. I'll text him in a little bit.
Bill Davison, I see you lurking. Talk to me about Nicholas Guevara.
Yes, Your Honor. I talked to him earlier today. He should be logged on somewhere here, and I just need to talk to the state and get some sort of an offer.
All right, state, if you would email an offer, and I guess we have 2 cases, correct?
Correct.
And let's reset for a week to give you all time to get that done. And then if you need more time, Bill, just let Pat know.
Thank you.
And do you have any other cases with us today?
No, sir.
All right, thanks, Bill. You're out of here.
Thank you.
And Mike Collins, are you with us today?
I'm here, Your Honor. How you doing?
You're the man. Talk to me about Christopher Cruz.
My first appearance, Your Honor. This incident occurred April the 4th, Your Honor. I've watched the videos. He did a breath test that came back 0 for alcohol. They then withdrew blood and were awaiting lab results on the blood, Your Honor.
How long for blood, state? 60 days?
Sure, Judge.
30 days. Let's reset for 30 days.
Sure did.
That's wasting everybody's time. Let's just reset for a jury trial with the understanding if you get something figured out and get your discovery before that happens, then you can let us know. Will that work?
Well, I hate to do that, but I mean, I'll do it if the court wants me to do.
Reset for 30, that's fine. I'm just nickel and diming you, making you come back when you might not need to, because they may not have provided discovery by then.
Well, I don't mind coming back, Your Honor.
All right, 30 days
30
then.
days. Thanks, Your Honor. Appreciate it. May I be excused?
Yeah, you got anybody else?
And I did have contact with my client, Your Honor.
Good.
So,
Do you have anybody else with us today?
no, not today, Your Honor.
All right, thanks, Mike.
Thanks.
Ramon Cervantes, where are you at?
He has not checked in.
He didn't make it last week or the week before either. Jeffrey Hole. No, Jeff?
Yes,
Judge.
He's here.
Jeff's here?
Yes.
Jeff, talk to me about Eliza Thomas.
Judge, I am in contact with Kaliza. I have an offer. I just need one last piece of discovery, and then I think we're going to be able to do something on this case.
All right, so you want to reset till next Tuesday at 2 and figure it out and let us know? Will that work?
Yeah, I'm not sure how long it will take to get it. It's just a surveillance video from a store, but I've already conferred with the state on it.
Let me go ahead and set you for next Tuesday at 2 to keep you on our radar. Need more time, just email Pat and tell her and we'll reset another week or whatever we need to do. Will that work?
Sounds good.
Anybody else with us today?
Yes, sir.
One more.
I'm looking.
I think I have 2 more. I think I have Hernandez and
Okay, I got Chris
Vasquez.
Hernandez. Are you in contact with Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
And have you got an offer yet?
And I do have an offer, and this is likely going to be a plea. I was just trying to confer with the state on a couple of the terms of the probation, but I mean, I should be setting this for a plea soon. I guess let me put it that way, Judge.
For arraignment again next Tuesday at 2. Figure it out before then. Just email Pat, pull you off of this docket, and put you on a plea docket or whatever you want to do.
Yeah, Vasquez. You do have Vasquez.
Okay, still looking for the next one. Okay, I got you with Leo Bagildo Vasquez. Are you in
I'm
contact?
in contact with him. Yes, sir.
And have you got an offer?
I got an offer today. If I could just have a week to convey that offer to my client.
No problem. Reset next Tuesday at 2, and if something changes, just let Pat know. Do you have other cases?
Thank you,
Or
Judge.
is that all your cases?
I believe that's
That's
all.
it. That's it.
All right. Thanks, Jeff. You're out of here.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's see where we're at. Richard Garcia, you're not on a mountain somewhere. You're here with us.
Yes, Judge, I'm here for Robert Flores, but I thought I had contact with him, and now the person that answers the phone says it's not his phone. And he's on a PR bond.
Okay, well, unless you have a warm, fuzzy feeling you're going to be able to find him soon, I'm going to have to put out an FTA warrant on him, and we'll try to find him.
I've been looking for him for the last week. I was set last week, and you recalled it for today for me to find him. And so that's what I would do.
I'm going to have to issue an FTA warrant in the nicest possible way, and if we find him, we'll be the first to know.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Judge.
Got anybody else with us today, or is that it?
That's it, Judge.
All right, thanks, Richard.
Have a good one.
Armando Roman.
He's here.
I
Good
see.
afternoon, Judge. How are you?
Talk to me about Alexis Garcia.
I don't know if she's on, Your Honor. I think we filed a motion to set bond on the case. But I'm just looking through my notes now, and I see that the state offered a plea deal. She's got 3 cases.
On the set bond, is that the one you requested a $1,500 bond?
Yes.
I just said so it's a $1,500 with weekly report and UA, and if she shows me 4 clean UAs, I'll take her off of that.
Okay.
And anyway, I guess you need more time. Have you gotten an offer on any of these cases yet?
Yes, I did. We did, Your Honor.
You have offers on all of them? I guess.
Yes. Yes.
And so will another week give you enough time to figure out what you want to do ultimately?
Yes, Your Honor. It should. I'm looking for my client now. It didn't look like she's.
2, and if you figure something out before then, just let Pat know, and we'll pull you off of this docket. You don't need to show up.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bernie Campion.
He came on and then I think he left.
Hey Hernandez on Amber Naranjo.
Yes, Your Honor. Oh, I'm in contact with Ms. McCash. Have not received an offer from the state, and we've got some discovery issues.
And is this like for blood or for breath, or what are we discovering?
This was a blood, but it's we've got the blood back, but we're missing some video.
Hey, you know anything about video on Miss McCann?
I can request it today, Judge. And I emailed an offer today as well.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's not on the body cam, but on the Coban. We're missing the Coban.
How much time you need to figure that out?
3 weeks, Judge.
All right, let's set it for 30 days then to give them time to find all your stuff. Will that work, Ron?
Yeah, that'll work fine, Judge.
You have any other cases with us today?
Nope, not today.
You're out of here. Thanks.
All right, thank you.
Looking. Lisa Voigt show up?
No.
Not yet. There's Bernie. Bernie, I got you. Stand by.
Yes, sir.
And did we get to the bottom of your case with pretrial? I mean, is your guys clear yet? Do we know?
Yes, sir. I think that's resolved.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well,
Michael Cepeda.
got it. Are you in contact with Mr. Cepeda?
Yes, sir, I am.
Needs an offer.
I have not gotten one yet. I was hoping to confer today if they're available.
Basically, you can't really, if you want to wait till the very end of this, then you could probably have time to confer. But in the meantime, I need everybody on focus on whoever we're talking to at the time. So I can reset you for a week and give you plenty of time to hook up with one of the guys, one of the DAs, and talk to them. Does that work?
That'll work great, Your Honor. Thank you.
Anybody else today?
No, sir, that's it.
State, if you haven't already done so, please forward an offer to Mr. Campion for Mr. Cepeda.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
You're out of here. And let's see, Mike Valacek, I see you out there. Let me find you.
Good afternoon, Judge. I have Jeffrey Anderson, 649-533.
I'm looking.
You're the only judge I've had this week that called his docket actually early instead of late.
That's
8 minutes early.
Gotcha. Jeffrey,
Okay.
Anderson, you contact Mr. Anderson.
I got a offer from the state by email this afternoon, which I barely looked at, but I have good contact with my client. He's at work right now. And so if I could have 30 days, we'll review it and make sure we're going on a plea track, which I think we are.
You get a week or 3 weeks? You gotta have 30 days?
Well, 3 weeks is enough. I think someone just said 3 weeks and you gave him 30 days.
We set 30 days for Mike because I know Mike and he needs it tonight.
If I could do it earlier, I'll get paid earlier and try to
I'm all over that.
work it in.
Just let Pat know if you get something resolved early or come up with something else. Have you got
So we're resetting him how long, Your Honor?
30 days.
Okay.
And Mike, have we got any other clients today or is that it?
No, that's all I know of. Everything else got pushed away.
Okay. You're out of here then.
Thank you, sir.
You on our docket? Mr. Lara, we have you on our docket today? You're
Alberto Perez.
Alberto Perez, I don't remember him. I thought we had, was that 2 weeks? Because I don't have him.
I don't know. I just have an email that says the Raymond docket would be on May 4th in 2021
Okay.
at 2
Well,
p.m.
I
on
will
that date.
look and see what happened.
Let's
Okay,
talk,
sure.
even though it's not set, let's talk. Are you in contact with him?
I am, Judge. I spoke with him earlier this morning.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
Not at this moment, Judge.
Do you have a case number in front of you?
Let me pull it up, Judge. I do have it here in my inbox.
They know and they'll send you an offer and then you'll at least.
And I apologize, Mr. Lara.
It's okay. 640106.
And the defendant's name is what again?
Alberto Perez.
State, if you look into that and forward an offer if you can to Mr. Lara.
Appreciate it.
You want to reset for next Tuesday at 2 or you need more time than that?
Judge, may I have more time than that, please? I will be out of town next week.
How about the 18th, Tuesday at 2? Will that work?
That's perfect, Judge.
Let's do that. And say you got the information you need to send an offer, right?
Correct, Judge.
All right. And Pat owes Mr. Lara a margarita because.
Yes, I do.
Thank you, everybody. You guys have a good one.
Bye.
And Mr. Stateson's here. Hang on. I got all kinds of stuff for you.
Okay, I'm sorry I'm late. I was multiple Zooms and CPS.
No problem. You should be making lots of money. We expect a big party after the plague is over.
Oh, okay.
First page with Joanne.
Let's start with Ruben Rios.
Okay, we have an offer, but Joanne, I think Joanne was appointed over another attorney. We've been trying to contact Ruben Rios. And I don't know if you've recalled this before, but we're still trying to get in contact with him.
Who was the attorney before Joanne? Do we know?
I don't remember, Your Honor. It was one of those that had not shown.
Okay, well, we're going to have to issue an FTA warrant if we don't have any contact with Mr. Rios. If you find him before, I'm going to have to issue a warrant on him because I don't know where he is. If you find him, let us know. And if we find him, we'll let you know.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so that takes care of Mr. Rios. Let me keep going.
Adriana Rodriguez.
Okay, that doesn't help me find it. Is everybody?
And
Okay. Alejandra Rodriguez, are you all in contact with her?
Yes, that's my client. I spoke with her. I need an offer.
State, would you email an offer to Mr. Statson on Miss Rodriguez?
Could I have a cause number real quick?
I've got 53947.
Okay, got it, Judge.
And you want to reset that one for a couple of weeks too, Joseph, so it's at the same time?
Yeah, just a week or two just to get the offer. Sounds good.
All right, well, if it's a week or two, we'll do it on the 11th, if that's okay with you.
I'm concerned. I have the second injection on the 11th.
18th at 2? Tuesday, 18th?
Yes.
All right.
Yes. I don't know how it's going to affect me with the second shot.
You got to be here anyway. All right, you got at least one more, maybe more. I'm looking.
Monica Guerrero.
All right. Mary Jan, or Gabriela Mary Jan Torres.
Yeah, Ms. Torres, Monica is attempting to contact her. I don't have recent notes that she made contact, but she actually is trying to find her. But if we can get an offer on Ms. Torres.
At this point in time, we're missing Ms. Torres, is that correct?
Hey, Eloy, I'm in the Zoom. What's up?
Oh, this is Zan calling.
Oh,
Monica has not spoken with her, but she tried to contact her on, I believe, Monday. I don't have the results yet. Monica's in federal court. I was just going to see if we can recall this to next week, and I'll tell you yes or no if we have contact with her.
That'd be fine. Let's do that.
Okay.
And do you have any more, or is that it?
I think that was the last one.
That's it.
All right. Thanks, Joseph. You're out of here.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, hang on just a second, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 4th. Okay, let's start from scratch and see if we picked anybody up.
Yes, Your Honor, we did.
Paul Goki ever show?
Who?
Paul Goki.
No, Your Honor.
Thomas Hilly ever show?
No.
James Wiggins ever show?
No.
Lee ever show?
No.
David Volk is here. David, talk to me about Nicholas Dial.
Good, sorry about that. I had it counted for 3:30 for some reason. The only thing I need to get the blood discovery order signed. The blood test came in a few weeks ago, and I now have that. I've reviewed videos. So that's all I need is blood discovery. I can email it to Pat right now.
You filed your blood discovery yet?
I'm sorry? Yeah, it's been filed. I just need to have the court sign it.
I understand. What day was it filed? Do we know?
I usually file those when I get hired because that way they're in the file.
Give me the list, right? If I haven't already. All right, we can do that.
So I'm sending that off right now to Pat.
Okay.
With the case number in the subject line.
Hey, do you know anything about blood discovery on this case yet?
Judge, once it's signed, then it's going to take 60 days.
Okay. Let's reset 60 days.
60 days, Your Honor?
Actually, Mr. Boak's used to this. Let's reset this for jury trial, David, with the understanding if y'all get something figured out before then, just let us know. That way I'm not just diving you and bringing you back in 30 days and they don't have the blood yet and all that kind of stuff.
Okay. What date do you want us to come
I'll
back?
send it to you tomorrow. I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, great. May I be excused?
Thanks, Dave.
Have a good one.
Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Lisa Voigt show up yet?
No.
Ramon Cervantes show up yet?
No.
Jay Norton show up yet?
No.
Anthony Zamora showed up.
Catherine Valenzuela, are you with us?
No.
Abel Dominguez, are you with us today?
Yes.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
No. Talk to me about Roberta Ruiz.
The state emailed an offer to me this morning. I just need another reset to talk with her about it.
Next Tuesday at 2. Will that work?
That will work, Your Honor, yes.
You get something figured out before then, just let Pat know.
Okay, we'll do. Thank you. May I be excused?
Is that the only case you got today with us?
Yes,
That's
it.
All right. Milton Butler.
Yes, I have Angela Mondina, 657500. I got an offer. I have yet to communicate it to my client. I don't think she's going to take it.
No problem. We give you enough time to do that?
I'm sorry?
We reset this for next Tuesday at 2. Does that give you enough time to get with your client and get a yes?
Yes. Yes.
And you can let Pat know if you need to reset for jury trial. Just email Pat and let her know.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
Anybody else with us today, or is that it?
That's it.
All right, you're out of here. Frank Sandoval, are you with us today?
No, Your Honor.
Joanne Eagle.
She's here, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Javier Caballero.
Judge, I got an offer yesterday from Nick and I wanted to confer with him a little bit more about it. So if you can give us a week, I'll try to do that by email.
Next Tuesday at 2 to give you time to do all that. If you come up with a decision, just let Pat know it in the interim.
Okay.
Thanks.
That's it.
That's all I have.
Anthony Mora, are you with us today? I see you.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Talk to me about Carlos Cantu.
We need to get on a trial docket, Judge.
Okay.
If things change, I'll reach out to Nick, but right now we need to stay on a trial docket.
You actually received an offer on this case yet?
Yes, sir. Yesterday.
All good. Said you on jury trial. Do you have anybody else with us today, Anthony?
That's it, Judge.
All right, you're out of here. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Andreas Campion.
He is not signed in.
Next.
Okay. I can't hear you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
We couldn't hear you. What name you called?
Thomas Beck. James
Thomas Beck, Your Honor, is going to be a plea.
Okay. James Wiggins, we talked about. Stephen Gilmore.
That one, Your Honor, is jury trial. Ms. Lira came in for him.
Okay. Sean Brown.
Don't have anybody for him.
Dylan George.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm right here for Sean Brown.
Augustine.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
There.
I'm here on Victor Koretsky.
Dylan, talk to me about Augustine Castillo. Your microphone is still, now you're cooking.
I've yet to receive an offer from the state, Judge.
Hey, can you email an offer to Mr. George about Mr. Castillo?
Yes, Judge.
And this is reset for next Tuesday at 2 to give you time to get the offer and go from there. Will that work?
Yes, sir.
You got anybody else today with us, Dylan, or is that it?
No, sir, that's it, Judge.
All right.
Your Honor, Mr. Gomez is here for Sean Brown on Victor Krensky.
I understand. Andreas Campion, you're with us, correct?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
Talk to me about Richard Giffords. Are you in contact with him?
We are, Your Honor. We've been trying to get him into VTC. The issue is he does not have his DD-214. He cannot locate it. He previously had it on file with the sheriff's office where he worked at. He has been in contact with Mr. Whitmo, I believe, and they are working, both of them, I believe, are working to try and figure out how to get another copy of his DD-214.
What did he do in the military? Do we know?
I believe he was Army for a number of years.
Did he go to the war? Do we know that? That's kind of a big one.
He's an older gentleman, so I don't know. I don't know.
Chris, do you know anything? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Judge, we've been going back and forth with Mr. Gipprich, working on the DD-214. He hasn't fully applied, so it's still in the very, very early stages. So I'm not sure if he's ordered the DD-214. We've had the VA look into it for us to see if they can get like a verified copy, so we can move it forward from there. But it's been quite some time since we spoke with Mr. Gipprich. So Mr. Campion, is he still interested in actually applying? I know there was some concerns about
the tracks, right? I think we would address that before the court after he gets accepted into the program. So I think we're still trying to get into the BTC program.
Now let me back up. Can he apply formally without having a copy of the DD-214, Chris?
No, sir.
All right. And have you advised him on exactly who to contact and how to get a copy?
We have, Your Honor, and I know Josh has sent the contact information to, he'll have to request it from like the main HR people in like Quantico, DC area. And that can take up to about 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm not sure if he's actually done that or not already.
What does Mr. Gibbert say he did in the military?
Your Honor, I don't think I have that.
Well, Chris is the person to know it. Did you ask him that question, Chris?
Yes, sir. He was U.S. Army. I don't believe he was deployed to either sandbox. He was stateside for his career. And then he went into the, so he was just.
He went into law enforcement afterwards.
Yes, sir. And then while he was in the Army, I believe he was like logistics or something like that, Judge, if I remember correctly.
All right. How old is this case? What's your offense date? Do we know?
I think it's the end of 2020, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, it seems like it's the second or third time we've talked about him. Does that sound right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, at the least.
Is the big speed bump in the road the fact we don't have a DD-214 on him? That's it?
That, and then there was a few other things that we'd have to work out before submitting, but that's for offline, Judge.
All right. Do me a favor, Andreas. Have Mr. Gipprich give a call to Chris sometime this week and just coordinate with him. And I want to know exactly what Mr. Gipprich has done, what steps he's taken to get his DD-214. If he hadn't contacted anybody or sent letters or done anything, then I need to know that. If you got a point of contact in Washington or Arlington or anywhere else, to get it, that's what I want to know that.
What court?
We want to help him while we can, but we can't help him unless we know what he's doing.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right, that's so put that on reset again, Pat, if you would, for 1 week on my radar. And then Andreas, you got another one or two. Let me see if I can find it.
Mr. Gipprich has two cases. The other one is Marbella Lopez Macas.
It's on top of where Mr. Gipprich is, the very top, around there.
Okay.
There's one in between them.
I got a Michael Cepeda.
No.
Well, that's another. No, it's a Bernard King. Excuse me.
Yes.
Many champions in the world. I can see it right off. We'll do the backward planning sequence.
Thanks to the power of shark technicals, I chose to invest in Gilman for several reasons. One is that Joe and Rachel were very authentic and real and sense their goodness. They have a deep social mission to help, but also as a guy that was born in Mexico and wrote habits, they always thought that they have not received their due in American society.
I don't know who's doing what.
Since Shark Tank, you have 0.5.
Chris, you're not on mute.
Where's our noise coming from? Anybody can tell?
There,
No.
it's big.
All right. Marbella Lopez Maceda. That's not right. What's going on with her?
You're muted.
Your Honor, I've previously spoken with the state. We have been tendered an offer from the state, but there are some immigration issues with the defendant, and so I've reached out to the state, and they are, from what I understand, pending approval from the higher ups to see if we can work out something that would not as drastically negatively impact Ms. Maceda's immigration status.
And Alexis, is that more or less accurate?
Correct, Judge.
And how long do y'all need to come up with a plan for Mr. Campbell?
I'll ask my chief this week, maybe 2 weeks, Judge.
All right. Reset that one 2 weeks to give the state time to figure out what they want to do.
And we should have a resolution at that time, Your Honor.
All right. That's two. You have more than two cases, Andrea?
No, Your Honor.
All right. You're out of here. Thanks.
Thank you very much. You all have a good day.
Okay, so Mr. Gomez is here.
Mr. Gomez, let's talk about, let me find you again.
It'll be on page 13, Your Honor.
His is going to be a little different than.
Oh, okay, yeah, my bad.
I'll find you. You're 1 in 100. This is your chance to take a break. No more pressure. Okay, I can't find you. Let's go from there. Tell me the name of your client and your case number, please.
It's Victor Koretsky. And case number is 54540.
No, it is 647-331, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you in touch with your client at this time?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
I've not received an offer.
Hey, can you go ahead and email an offer on this case to the Wild Bunch out there at Sean's office?
You can just send it to Sean and he'll direct it to me at that point.
Okay.
And let's reset for a week to get that going. Will that work for you, John?
How much?
Will it reset for a week next Tuesday at 2?
Yeah, no problem. And Your Honor, I did file a motion to travel for my client. I don't know if that's been brought up to your desk. He's supposed to.
Tell me again his last name.
Koretsky.
I'll look for it, Your Honor, and see.
I'll look at it. I think we've already said okay, but I have to go back.
Thank you.
Other than that, you're out of here. We'll give you.
Good. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Thanks. And we have Paul Acevedo on anything today. I see him here.
Yes, Your Honor, I believe he is.
Ricardo.
Last.
Paul, are you in touch with Ricardo?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Received an offer from the state yet?
Say that again.
Have you received an offer from the state yet?
Well, we're in the middle of negotiating something, Your Honor. We were communicating via email, but if you could put Nicholas and myself in a breakout room, we could probably.
You want to hang around till like 4 o'clock or something, or 3:30, maybe we can do.
I can't. I have a 3:30 hearing in County Court 7.
Let's do this. Let me reset you for next Tuesday at 2 to give you all time to get together. Will that work?
Okay, I'll email him again.
That's great. And do you have any other cases with us today?
That's it.
Nothing else, Your Honor.
Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Bain is here.
I got Cecil. I got you for Isabella Sanchez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Looks like we have just one case. Are you in contact with Ms. Sanchez currently?
Yes.
And have you received an offer from the state?
Yes.
And you know what you want to do yet?
We would like to respectfully decline that evading arrest 12-month probation offer.
And you want a jury trial, or do you want to continue negotiating?
If I have a chance to talk with Alexis, I think maybe we can improve on that, hopefully.
If you want to hang around till about 3:30 and I can cut some of my DAs loose to talk to you, you can do that now, or I can reset you for a week and you can do it at your leisure.
I am in the middle of a probate hearing that the probate court judge kindly let me come over here for.
Let's just reset you for next Tuesday at 2 to give you a whole week to get up with Alexis and y'all can rest.
What day of the week is that?
Tuesday is the 4th, Tuesday is the 11th.
We have a vacation.
That's right.
10 to 5:14. Can I do
the 18th
for that?
Just reset for the 18th, and then obviously if you get anything figured out before then, let Pat know.
Yes. Alexis, I will attempt to communicate with you and explain my disappointment.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Be excused.
Oh, real lawyers do it.
Yes, exactly.
Mr. Morales, your attorney has contacted me. That has been reset. You need to get with your attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
He's already reset it prior to this, so you can leave. You just need to stay in contact with your attorney, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We still have James Gregerson with us. I thought we resolved that one. James, are you?
I don't know whether he's still on or he just doesn't know. Mr. Rickerson, do you need to speak to the judge? I'm going to remove him.
We heard from Gil Coronado, Todd Coronado.